Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, this look that I'm just doing is for Valentine's Day. It's, well, obviously pink lipstick with, I feel like a very romantic sort of eye makeup. It's not too much, it's not too pink or too goth. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy this. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. First, I'm going to start off by moisturizing my skin with my Body Shop Drops of Light moisturizer. This is quite thick and heavy, so that's why I really like it. Now I'll be taking my Body Shop Vitamin E cream and just placing this a little bit under my eyes just to moisturize it a bit so that the concealer does not crease under the eye area. Okay, so here's another look using the tape method. I'm just cutting off two pieces and sticking it against the edge of my eye according to how I want the eyeshadow to look. This is so much easier when you want to add colors and blend out. Taking Matte Thomas, I'm just going to be setting my eyelid primer in with this pink shade. And I think this is from the Meet Matte Nudes palette. So next I'll be taking Limit from my Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and I'll just be placing Limit into my crease and along the outer V. Now going in with the shade Nuna, I'm just placing Nuna out on the outer edge of the V as well as in the crease slightly below the shade Limit. Now taking the shade Dark Side, I am just darkening my outer V as well as a little bit of the crease. Taking the shade Matte Kumar, I am just adding this into my crease just to warm the look up a little bit more. Using, I think that's Matte Markowitz, if I'm not mistaken, I'm just putting that into my crease on a detailer brush just to add a little bit more depth and definition, and I'm just taking a fluffy blending brush and blending out the outer parts of the eyeshadow look. Using some of that Limit shade from my Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, I am just diffusing the outer edges of the crease colors just to make it a little bit more blended and seamless. I'm just taking some of my soft ochre paint pot just to blank the lid out just a little bit because I want to put a very light pinky color onto the eyelid, so I need this just for some of that help. Now I'm going to be using the shade Buzz. I'm actually going to just apply this with my finger because it's really glittery and sparkly, so I want it to stick. So then after I just applied a base layer, I'm just spraying my brush with some Fix Plus, and then I'm packing the shade onto my lid with the Fix Plus. Taking the shade Dust, I'm going to be placing that onto the inner corners of my eye just to lighten that area up a little bit more. Taking some of Nuna onto a fluffy blending brush, I am just blending out the crease just so that glittery sparkly shade can blend in. So now I'm actually doing a eyeshadow winged liner. I feel that this is a bit more soft and less harsh than actually using gel or liquid. So I'm actually just doing my liner using the darker shade in the Naked 3 palette. Okay, so that wasn't as dark as what I wanted it to be. So now I'm just taking Matte Ahmed from the other palette, and I'm just darkening that winged liner a little bit more. So this was kind of looking a bit meh, so I decided to add a little bit of glitter onto my eyelids. So I'm not concentrating the glitter, I'm just more like sporadically placing the glitter onto my eyes. So now that that's all done, we can peel away the tape, and you see how nice and crisp and professional the wing actually looks. So now I'm just taking a fluffy brush and just blending out the outer edges of that wing just a little bit more. Now for skin, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade Golden Beige and Amber, just to, well, as a foundation, duh. I'm blending it all out with my Real Techniques blending sponge. Now for concealer, I'm taking the NYX concealer, and this is in the shade Olive, I think, and I'm just placing that under my under eyes just to brighten it up ever so slightly. Now I'm going in with my RCMA No Color Powder, and I love this powder so much. I absolutely love this powder, and I'm just setting that concealer in place. Just to finish up the eyes, I'm taking Nuna on a fluffy brush, and I'm just lightly running that shade onto my lower lash line. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Colossal Kajal eyeliner from Maybelline, and I'm just going to tightline real quickly. And then after I do that, I'm actually going to line my lower waterline with the same black eyeliner, but I'm not doing it very dark at all. I'm just like basically just running it along the lower lash line. So now for some mascara, I'm just using my Essence mascara. You can use anything. I just really want a quick coat of mascara on my lashes. For falsies, I'll be using my Eyelure Exaggerate falsies in the style 143. They're very lightweight, so I think they are quite pretty, so it looks really nice with this look. So I'm quickly just coating my lower lashes with some mascara again, and that's pretty much all I'm doing to my lower lashes. So now I'm just highlighting my brow bone with the lightest shade in the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, just to highlight my brow bone. Okay, so for some highlights, I'm taking my Soft and Gentle, and I'm just adding that Soft and Gentle by MAC onto my brow bone again, just to highlight a little bit more, and just quickly blending that all out before I take some more of MAC Soft and Gentle and highlight my cheekbones. Now I'll be using this liquid lipstick from the Balm, and this is in the shade Dedicated, and yeah, I'm just using this as my lipstick shade for this particular look. Using my Fit Me powder in the shade 300 Toffee, I'm actually using this to contour my cheekbones. And a little bit onto my forehead. Since it's Valentine's Day, I decided to use some blush. So this is the NARS blush in the shade Gilda, and I'm just putting a little bit of this onto my cheeks. I don't like a lot of blush at all. Okay, so clearly something malfunctioned in me there, but this is what the finished look looks like. And yeah, I think it's very pretty for Valentine's Day, and also really quick to do, and I guess it gets to the point of romantic makeup. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Goodbye. Oh, and by the way, have a wonderful Valentine's Day.